Tshivenda. Ndi masiari o vuwa hani. So today we are going to learn the different parts of your body in Tshivenda. We are going to learn the different parts of your body in Tshivenda. I hope this lesson will be a very educational one to you. Body in Tshivenda is Muvhili. Muvhili. So without wasting any time, let's get right into today's lesson. So we are going to start with the first one, which is your hair. In Tshivenda, it's mavhudzi. Mavhudzi. Mavhudzi is your hair. Then we have your face, which is tshifhaṱuwo. Tshifhaṱuwo. Tshifhaṱuwo is your face. The next one is your neck, which is mukulo. 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 That's your neck. The next one is your chest, which is khana. 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 The next one is your hand or your hands. It's zwanda. Zwanda for hands. Chanda. Chanda for one hand. Now we have your stomach or your tummy. In Tshivenda, it's called thumbu. 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 The next one is your knees, which is magona. 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 The next one is your legs, which is milenje. Milenje. Milenje is your legs. The last body part is your toes, which is zikunwane. Zikunwane. That is your toes. Now, this is your body, the muvhili. So when you say my body in Tshivenda, you say muvhili wanga. Muvhili wanga. So that is it for today. I really hope you have learned your body parts in Tshivenda. And if you think I left out something, please contact us on Instagram. It's at Kids Learn Tshivenda. DM us and let's continue the conversation on Instagram. So until next time, nisale zwavhuḓi. Nisale zwavhuḓi. Bye.